YouTube Video Equipment Guide for Beginners. If you're a beginner looking to start making YouTube videos, here's a simple equipment guide to get you started. Camera: you can use your smartphone camera, but if you want better quality, you can invest in a mirrorless or DSLR camera. Popular options include the Canon EOS Rebel T7i, Sony Alpha A6000, and Panasonic Lumix G7. Microphone: good audio quality is just as important as the visual quality of your videos. The easiest option is to use the built-in microphone of your camera or smartphone, but for better audio quality, you can get an external microphone. Popular options include the Rode VideoMic Pro and the Blue Yeti USB mic. Lighting: make sure you're well lit in your videos. You can use natural light or invest in a basic lighting kit. A popular option is the newer 18-inch LED ring light. Tripod: stabilize your camera by using a tripod. Cheap options include the Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod or the Ravelli APL T4 61-inch tripod. Editing software: after shooting your videos, you'll need to edit them. Popular video editing software options include Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and iMovie, which comes free with Mac computers. Remember, equipment isn't everything. The most important thing is to start creating content and gain experience. As you continue to create videos, you'll learn what works best for you and what equipment.